Investigators say the suspect once worked with the CIA in Afghanistan, and then days after the shooting, President Trump proposing cracking down on immigrants who are living in the U.S. legally. Sharing you with our Seattle sister station explains about the proposed changes.
Local immigrant groups say they're feeling a new level of tension after Trump's never-heard-before threats to throw immigrants out of the country who are living here legally.
Our clients and our staff are sort of reeling themselves in this moment.
Trump vowed on Truth Social to, quote, permanently pause migration from all third world countries and remove anyone who is not a net asset.
We've heard from families who are wondering, is it safe for them to send their kids to school? You know, to what degree are Afghans going to be blamed for the actions of this one individual?
The fallout extends far beyond Afghan nationals. It affects anyone seeking asylum and refugees already living legally in the United States.
In the meantime, we're doing our best to support our clients and staff as they're grappling with all this and living in a lot of fear.
Trump's talk of reevaluating the status of immigrants stems from the suspect in the D.C. National Guard shooting. The alleged shooter, Rahmanullah Lakumwal, arrived in the U.S. during the Afghanistan withdrawal under President Biden and later received asylum under the Trump administration. President Trump is now faulting the Biden administration for inadequate vetting. That claim is fueling these new sweeping immigration restrictions. Immigration attorney Devin Terrio-Orr says the moves to reevaluate those who have been granted asylum in the U.S. have no legal grounding.
These people are already vetted extremely well, and there's not really any justification or legal rationale to pause all adjudications or retroactively review things that have already been granted.
For families who believed their future here was settled, certainty has now shifted to fear.
I had a client just ask the other day for a case that we just filed, like, does that mean that they're going to be out of status? Like, is that going to mean that it can be picked up? You know, there's all kinds of fears around that.
There's currently a temporary halt for people coming in from countries like Afghanistan. In a cable obtained by the New York Times, the State Department has issued orders to the embassy in Afghanistan to not issue any more visas to Afghan nationals, and if they were granted but not issued yet, to destroy those visas.